Hello friends, this is Python chapter 4. In this video we will learn type conversion of Python numbers, how to find string length in Python, and how to check any phrasing is present in the string or not, how to modify strings, how to replace strings, how to split string, and how to combine strings. So let's start with type conversion of Python numbers. So you can convert from one type to another with the AND, float and complex methods. Note, you cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. So here I will create some variables which can be P, and P will contain number 5, Q will contain the number 4.5, or we can give here 6, and then node set O. Actually, I think O must be on the top, or I can give here R. And now here in the variable R I will put 8.9, it will be 8G. Now firstly I will convert int to float in the variable A. Here what I will do, we have to convert int to float, means to float. So we will type here float, and then inside the bracket we have to type the variable in which the value is there, which we want to convert into float. So I want to convert the value of p variable value. So here we have given float because we want to convert the value of p variable into float. So like this we can do, and same method for converting float to int and int to complex. So let's do a float to int. We want to convert it into int, so we will put here like this, and we want to convert the value of q variable, so we will put here q. And now let's create one more variable, that is c, and now at this time we will convert int to complex, so we will type here complex, then bracket, and then we want to convert the value of p variable into complex, so we will put here p. And now if for printing this we will put here, that means print A, print B, and print C. So we will print all these variables we have created, and now we will also print the type of these variables. So type, I want the type of a variable. I will copy this and paste it over here, A, B, and now I want C. So now let's run this module. Okay, to save, and here is our output. You can see 5 is converted into 5.0. Why? Because we have converted this int value into float, and then int value, float value 4.6 is converted into int, and the number we get is 4, and then we have converted 5 into complex value. So here we get 5 plus 0j, and the answer will be 5j. And now the type of 5.0 is float, type of 4 is now int, type of 5 plus 0j is complex. So like this we can change the type of Python numbers. So let me delete all this coding. Okay. Now our second topic, that is how to find string length in Python. So for finding the string length we use len function. So let's create here a variable, that is a, and we will put some value like this is Python, and then we will say print len means length of a variable a. We want to print the length, so we will say run and run module. Okay to save, and here is the answer, that is 14. So let's count that is it correct or not. 1 2 3 4, these are 4, and 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So like this we can find the length of any string. You can see. Now the third topic is how to check any phrase is present in string or not. To check if a certain phrase or character is present in a string, we can use the keyword in. So let's see, by doing this we can create here a variable txt, that is text, and we can put some value in it. This is fourth chapter of Python. Okay, now we will type here print. We want to, and here we will put the word which we want to check, that is it in the variable's value. So I will put the word chapter, and now in txt. So what is the meaning of this? It is saying that is chapter in txt, and if it is true, then it will in the output it will give the answer true, and if it is false it will give false. So let me show you how it displays the output. So you can see the answer is true, and if I say here is chapters, let me chapters, there is s extra. So let's run module. Then it is saying false because there is no chapters, there is chapter. So like this you can check that is any phrase in there in this string. So now this is here we will check if not, means this time we were checking that is it there. Now we will check that is it not there, and if it is not there it will say display us it is not there and it is true. So let me show you. Here the thing is we will use a not, and now let's see the output. Run module. Okay to save, and the answer is true because is chapter not in text, and the answer it gives is false, not true. Why? Because chapters is not there, chapter is there. And if we give here chapter and we will save it, and when we will run the module it is, and when we run the module it is saying us that it is false because chapter is there, and we are saying that chapter is not in text, so it is false. Now let me delete this. Now our fourth topic is how to modify strings. Here we will convert the letters of words into capital letters and in small letters. So it is really simple. We can create one variable that is a, and here we can put the value hello world, and now we will say print. We want to print a variable and we want it in uppercase, and I will duplicate this, means I will copy and paste this, and I will say here lowercase. Now run module. You can I think I have to remove this. And now let's see the output. Okay, so the mistake is that we have missed the bracket here. That's why it is not working. Now let's see the output. You can see hello world is there in the output. And now let me copy this and paste it over here, and here I will put lower. And now run module. Okay to save, and here is the output. The first one is capital, as we say here that first one has to be capital. Means the first hello world has to contain uppercase letters, and the second one with lowercase letters. So it's now let's see that what is our fifth topic. It is how to replace strings. The replace method replaces a string with another string. So here we will replace the letters of the word with the another letter. So let's say let's write here one more variable, that is hello a, and we will put hello world inside this. And then we will say here print. Inside the bracket we will put a dot replace, and then we want to replace H into J, or we can say here J into H. We cannot place them from here to there. Actually I am changing this H into J so to make it wrong, and this replace function will make it correct. So the letter which is over here, we want to change it into the letter which is over here we have put. So now okay to save, and the output is hello world, and I have typed here jello world. So like this you can replace the strings. Now how we can split strings. So let me remove this and hello world. Okay. Now for here the split method splits the string into substrings if it finds instances of the separator. So now here is the variable with the value hello world. We will say here print. I want to print a, but I want to split it between in between. So we will give here double quotation, and here I will put that letter or any character that from where I want to split both. Means from where I want to split. So like I want to split from this comma. So I will put here comma, and now run module. Okay to save. Here you can see there are two words. How they are separated? They are separated with the help of this apostrophe. You can see here. So like this you can split the string. And now it is the turn of our last topic, that is how to combine strings. You will be thinking that we know how we can combine the strings. Like here we have the variable a with the word hello, and then we have the variable b with word world, and then we will create one more variable, and here we will add this both variables, and we will print C, and now run module. Okay to save. Like this we can combine both this, but today we will learn a little different thing, that how can we add the two variables like this hello and world without adding a space here. So it is really simple. We will use this double quotation here. We will add a plus double quotation, and here we will put one space, so it will also be added there, and plus b. So now let's see, run module. Okay to save. And now here is cap. So like this you can give space between two words. So friends, our today's all topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.